My name is Abdullah. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I'm an international student at ASU Global Launch.
My name is Abdulaziz Al Hussein.
When I first came to the US, I struggled most with understanding people and speaking confidently.
When I came to the US, it was difficult for me to speak English. It was nervous when I speak to people.
But after 6 weeks of using IMMERSE, I'm now comfortable speaking English better than before.
I'm Dr. Emilia Gracia, head of Fluent Futures Lab within ASU Global Launch. We receive international students who are conditionally enrolled into ASU. We train them in English until they are at the level they need to be at in order to study full-time. This summer, I am doing the IMMERSE pilot. We are not just using the IMMERSE app, we're using it with the Meta AI glasses, researching to see if this builds confidence and if this helps students become more confident speakers. Students had always come up to me and said, "Teacher, what can I do to practice speaking outside of class?" Now we actually have something to give them.
What I love about the IMMERSE app is that I can use it for language that I need in the moment. When I have a question about cultural language, I can just ask the app and get immediate support.
I have never seen something that can observe the environment that the student tells it to observe and then interact with them based on that environment. You just click create lesson. IMMERSE will use AI to actually generate lessons for you based on what you want to learn. Students don't actually have to have the phone in front of their face. No barrier between the student and the person that they're speaking to or the environment. There is a heightened sense of presence.
I've used it to understand different phrases in books or to practice conversation with my professor before office hours. And what was really nice is it taught me not only how to say things correctly, but also about cultural aspects of the US.
I think it was really great that the student practiced on IMMERSE before they came into the office. Like they actually knew all the steps. They knew they were supposed to knock. They knew the conversational exchanges that would take place and how to ask me for help. And we want them to feel confident when they do reach out to their professors.
For example, I use it to practice asking about specific ingredients at the dining hall, like if there's any dairy in the food. Being able to practice beforehand with coach prepared me for the real-life conversation. I also love that I'm able to see the transcript of my conversation and see new words that I learned. In the past, I used to just point at things to keep my conversation really simple. Now, because of IMMERSE, I'm more confident and I can ask more questions and go through more conversations more easily. Things I love in the app, it's really smooth.
This app has made me more confident using English because I can practice one-on-one with AI before having to interact with someone in real life. So it helps me practice what I want to say before doing it, which makes me more confident in the moment.
You're not taking the learner out of the environment, you're putting them in it, and you're making them more present. I would hope that they would continue to use the app. I would hope for them to do this in their everyday lives. Oh, I don't know what this is, I want to know more. Let me pull out my phone. Let's go and see what this is. Let's explore. I just hope they keep exploring the world with it and that they can actually have a more informed or more knowledgeable experience, more knowledge about the experience that they're already having.